right now. There's one decision that will decide how confident you feel for the next 5 years. Not your talent, not your looks, not your past. One decision. Whether you keep promises to yourself. Most people think confidence comes from success. It doesn't. It comes from proof. But here's the problem. Every day, you break tiny promises. I'll wake up early. You don't. I'll start tomorrow. You don't. I'll try again. You don't. Each broken promise is a withdrawal from your confidence bank. After years, your account hits 0. You stop trusting yourself. You hesitate, overthink, stay quiet, play small. Not because you're weak, because your mind has evidence you don't follow through. Your brain works like a scoreboard. Every action equals a point. Keep a promise, +1 confidence. Break a promise, -1 confidence. Repeat this daily, and your identity forms. You don't become confident by thinking. You become confident by evidence. Confidence isn't a feeling. It's a memory record, a highlight reel of kept promises. So the question is, what decision builds that reel fastest? Here it is. Never negotiate with your smaller self. The voice that says, skip today. Do it later. One day won't matter. That voice is your comfort engine.
I hope so.
If it
Thanks for
wins, confidence dies slowly. But when you decide that voice has no voting rights, everything changes.
Wait a
First,
minute.
you notice the voice.
I think
You
I get
catch
it
it
now.
mid-sentence. Let's skip. Pause. You realize that's not you. That's comfort protecting mediocrity. Awareness is step 1. You
Hey,
can't
come on,
beat
let's
what
do
you
something.
don't see. When the voice speaks, you act fast before emotion grows. 5, 4, 3, 2, move. Stand up. Open the book. Start the code. Wear the shoes. Action kills negotiation. Speed beats doubt. You start small, very small. 1 page, 5 push-ups, 10 minutes, 1 paragraph, 1 call. Why? Because confidence grows like compound interest. Tiny deposits, daily consistency. Small
this is
wins
fun.
stack. Weeks pass. You notice something. You trust yourself more. You speak clearer. Walk straighter. Decide faster. Because now, when you say, I will, your brain
Wow, look at all these
believes you.
achievements.
You've built
I feel
proof.
so-
Confidence is no longer hope. It's evidence. Now the engine starts. Discipline equals action. Action equals proof. Proof equals confidence. Confidence equals bigger action. A loop forms. You attempt harder things. Public speaking, leadership, content creation, fitness goals. Not because fear vanished, but because trust replaced doubt. Fast forward 5 years. 2 versions of you exist. Version 1,
on, just a bit
listened
more.
to comfort, delayed decisions, stayed safe. Confidence, fragile. Version 2, acted despite resistance, kept promises daily, stacked proof. Confidence, unshakable. Same talent, different decision. Confidence was never locked. You were never missing it. You were leaking it through broken promises. But today, you can close the leak. One kept promise tonight changes tomorrow morning. Tomorrow stacks into months. Months stack into identity. Identity builds destiny. Confidence isn't given. It's constructed.
build some promises.
Promise by promise,
A solid
brick
foundation.
by brick. So here's your challenge. Make one promise before you sleep tonight. Small, clear, non-negotiable, and keep it. Because the person you become in the next 5 years is hiding inside that one decision. Start building them today. If this message spoke to you, if you felt something shift inside, then don't let this moment fade. Lock it in by taking one small action. Hit the like button, not for the algorithm, but for your future self. Subscribe, because growth is easier when you don't walk alone. Turn on the bell so discipline shows up every time you need it. Share this video with someone who's doubting themselves
Hey, I can
right
see you're
now.
feeling-
And comment below one promise you'll keep tonight. Make it real, because change doesn't start tomorrow. It starts now. One action, one promise, one decision. Your confident self is waiting. Start building them today.